Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure monitoring system on the new Citroen C3 Aircross. So as you can see here, we are sitting in the new generation model, and now I will show you how to do it. It's actually very simple. So first thing that I'm going to do is push this button here, which will open this menu on the head-up display. Now you will go to driver assistant and scroll down to here, reset tire pressure monitoring system. So reset, but before this, of course, you need to set the pressure to the desired values that you can see on the car itself. Of course, it depends on the wheels that you have and whether the car is full or not. So you will check this, and now once all is done, just press yes. Tire pressure registered. And that's it. You are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe. I hope that you find this helpful, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.